In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can get $75,000 to even $100,000 in business credit within your first 3 months of business. So I have recently started up a trucking business about 6 months ago, and after my first 2 months, I started getting a lot of offers in the mail for business funding. Everything is public information, so whenever you start a business or do anything with some money, you're going to be in a database, and pretty much these companies are going to be reaching out to you to offer you business funding. And like I said, I'm in the trucking industry, so they're offering me fuel cards, factoring services, you know, just dispatching services, and whatever business you are in, guys, whatever niche you are in, people in that same niche that provide small services that your business may need are going to be reaching out to you non-stop every day. This is why, like I said, that business telephone is very important. But I noticed after my first 3 months in business, I started getting these letters in the mail and offers in the mail a lot, guys. Just in the last 1 week, guys, I have gotten 5 business offers in the mail for business funding, and they're all over $50,000. Now, let me show you how you guys could get approved for these $50,000 to even $100,000 loans, guys. And let me show you how you can start getting business funding. So the first way I want to tell you on how to make money and start getting business funding is to set up you guys some business credit accounts. Now, a good way to do this is you can go on Capital One or American Express. Now, I have applied for Capital One and American Express with my new business, and I was approved with American Express. Capital One didn't approve me, I guess because I was a little bit too new. I want to say that you guys need to have 6 months of business experience to get a credit card with Capital One. But American Express, the simple business card, guys, the platinum card, they will approve you for. I got approved with that card after 3 months. Also, guys, you can sign up with accounts like Brex, which will pretty much approve you on the spot and give you business credit, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus. And after you make these credit accounts, guys, now you have credit cards. I advise you to get 1 credit card within your first 3 months, or, you know, 2 credit cards, and it's not gonna hurt. But keeping your credit cards at 2 within your first 6 months of business, because you don't want your credit score to go down because you're applying for too much credit. But once you have these 2 credit cards, all you're gonna need to do is simply spend 30% of your credit limit, whatever that may be. Now, for my American Express card, I only got approved for $2,000, so 30% of $2,000. So, you know, I just spend it for a tank of gas or 2 and some snacks, and then you just pay that card off early. Or like me, I pay my card off every 2 weeks, so that I have 2 payments a month going on that card, and they see that I'm paying my card off extra early, and my credit's gonna go up faster, guys. Once your business credit is slowly building, now these businesses and these funding companies are gonna be going to your mailbox every day. And if you are in the trucking industry, guys, fuel cards do boost your credit. They do report to credit bureaus. You can look at fuel cards such as A to B and the Fuel Man. Those are the 2 best out right now, in my opinion. Go ahead and check out those fuel cards. And even if you're not in the transportation industry, you do have to drive somewhere, anywhere for your business. So gas cards and fuel cards, you can apply for them and you can get some, and so that you can start building your credit. So you can have 2 credit cards and 1 fuel card. And you know, gas is a write-off, guys, for whatever business you're in. Even if you have a clothing brand, you might have to go pick up a drop somewhere, so you can write off that gas tank that you just spent. And with a fuel card, you know what I mean, you can get cash back and you can get credited for that. Now, besides just building up your business credit, another way to start making money and get funding instantly, guys, is, as you can see right here, guys, we have a $30,000 check. We got $78,000 right here, guys. We got $75,000 right here that we were able to get approved for. And even right here, man, we got a credit card that has already been sent to us, and all we have to do is apply for it. As you can see, like I said, in the last 1 week, all of these offers have been sent to me in the mail. And now let me tell you how these offers work. So when I first got my first check in the mail, it was for $88,000, and me being only 21 years old and me seeing this type of money just handed to me, I was shocked and I was excited. So the next couple of days I was thinking about it, and I was just like, all right, I could purchase something for $20,000 that will make me, you know, $5,000 a month, and I could easily save the extra $60,000 and just keep it for emergency business expenses and to pay off the loan over time, just in case that $20,000 investment doesn't work. That was my thought process. So I called up the bank that sent me the check, and when I told them I had a trucking business, they said that trucking businesses, you know, trucking businesses could make a lot of money, and just with one truck you can make up to $5,000 a week. So a lot of trucking companies have multiple trucks and they have a fleet, and the company pretty much told me that they wanted me to have making $50,000 a month in revenue. And you know, as a new business with just one truck in my fleet, I wasn't making that type of money, so I didn't get approved for that. And that's pretty much how these offers work. If you do get sent an offer for $80,000, you might just need to make $20,000 a month, and I know a lot of our new businesses aren't making that type of money. But another way you can start getting business funding is if you have Navy Federal or Wells Fargo. These are the two good banks for business funding. All you have to do, guys, is make a business account with those two banks, and when you start up your business, you're gonna have to make a business bank account anyway. So I advise, if you are military, go with Navy Federal, because they are a credit union and they do give out a lot of money, a lot of funding. Or you can hit up Wells Fargo, especially if you're already a Wells Fargo member. It'll be easy for you to get approved, and even for your business credit card, they will just personal guarantee you and you can get approved very easy. And I'll even be making videos on new credit cards and their business approval and how that works. But once you have your business account with these banks, guys, you pretty much want to just give it time. Wait until you can get approved for some credit. You might have to get a small little business loan for like $1,000. Pay that off within 2 months so that they can see that you're trustworthy. Get you a business credit card, and once you have that, you're pretty much set. You want to probably wait 6 months, 3 to 6 months after you've received this business credit card, keeping it under 30% a month and paying it off early. And after 6 months, you can now get approved for up to $50,000 to even $100,000 with that bank for a business loan or a business line of credit. Now, guys, once you get these business loans or business line of credit, don't spend it all in one go. Don't spend it all in 1 or 2 months. Don't spend all your money on one investment that you think is gonna start making you, you know, $5,000 a month. Spend it slowly. Save up half of the loan, half of the funds that you received. Save it, guys, so that if anything happens, an emergency in your business, emergency in your personal life, you have that money to go to. And like I said, this loan, say you get approved for $60,000, you get $60,000. Say this loan is now $2,000 a month on getting charged out of your account. If you save $30,000 of that $60,000, guys, you will now have a year to get your funds in order and a year to figure out whatever it is you need to figure out to make your business successful. But if you spend all $60,000 of it and what you thought will work won't work, now you have to pay $2,000 a month of your own money instead of paying $2,000 a month of the loan's money to cover up the other $30,000 that you already spent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to start getting business funding and how to easily get approved for business funding. Stay tuned to the channel. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on, because I will be making a video pretty soon on credit accounts and banks that you can get approved for and easily get business funding with. Don't forget to check out the Patreon, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave it a like while you're at it. This is Black Investors Group. I'm KINGLATTA. Don't forget to check out the Patreon for easy lessons on how to make money. Until tomorrow, we out.